Hey guys, welcome back to another Beast and Winch adventure. Today's adventure brings us to Islands of Adventure, but we're going to go over to Universal Studios to check out Halloween Horror Night construction update. Now they got some props out. The event starts August 30th and it lasts till November 2nd. So with that being said, let's go to Universal Studios for a Halloween Horror Night construction update. Let's go do this. So we have our first lighting right over here. Boy, are we getting ready for Halloween or what? It's only 31 days away. And then we have this new lighting right here that I've never seen. Of course, I would imagine they would add more lighting to shine down here. And then, of course, soon we'll have that big old medallion right there. 31 more days. It'll say Halloween Horror Nights 33. So let's go inside. So we got nothing here, but we do have a couple lightings up there, some speakers, some lighting over there, some lightings over by the Minion, and some lightings over there. I don't think they're gonna do anything here yet, but as it gets closer, they will. And it's gonna be an interesting scare zone. You're either gonna go straight to face a different one, or you're gonna go right. I don't know how they're gonna pull that off since you can't really have a scare zone in the Minions, but it's gonna be pretty interesting. We'll keep an eye on it. So over here we have this little stage. Of course, it's not as big as it normally is, and I think that's because of the parade that's going on from now until November 7th, the Mega Movie Parade. It'll be running till 6 p.m. until Halloween Horror Nights, and then 2. But we also have these red and yellow white lights up here, but nothing else too much here. I think, like I said, this is gonna be wheeling in and out as the event starts because, again, of the movie made parade. So let's go to Central Park now and see what we can see. So we're on our way to Central Park. Of course, the parade is fixing to start, so we have to go all the way around. But we're in San Francisco, where it's pretty obvious of what this is going to be. This is going to be the Blimp House scare zone. And you see you got some lighting truss up there, some lighting truss up here, speakers, and then down in here you got more lighting truss. So yeah, this is going to be the Blimp House scare zone. And over here on the left, we have like a little stage up in the air. Are you tall enough for that one? And all the cars are gone. And you can see that stage right there. So we're still in the making of Blimp House Scare Zone. So let's go continue on to Central Park, which is on the other side over here. We made it to Central Park. This is Swamp of the Undead. Sort of like a little mirror down here, make you feel like you're in the swamp, like the bayou. And over here they got these blue lights. You can see the speakers and the blue lights. This blue lights, I assume, I'm pretty confident that this is gonna be looking like you're in the blue water with fog rolling. So with that being said, let's do a little montage of Swamp of the Dead. made it to Hollywood Boulevard. I don't expect too much going to be put out here because this is the route of the movie parade that's running right now at 6 p.m. But of course, when Halloween Horror Nights is going on, it'll be till 2. So I think these props are going to be in and out. But if you look right over here, we have a lighting truss right there. And then we have another one here on the left with speakers and lights. And there's another one further down. But like I said, I think all these props are going to be in and out because of the parade going on. So they're going to have to wheel them out. So I don't expect too much to go on here, but we do have a lot of lighting going on up on the top for the scare zones. So let's go in the Five and Dime. They have a new merchandise reveal. Let's go inside and see what they have. So the merchandise reveal is Assidious. This is the new shirt, so all new merchandise. So let's go inside and check it out. So they have the Assidious shirt. I don't know, it's kind of cool. I wouldn't buy it. And then down here they